Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com. In this video, I want to show you the power of import presets when it comes to editing multiple photos at one time. So exactly what are import presets? Basically, import presets are just your standard presets over on here that you would typically install. You download from Sleeklens.com, install them in there. Everything that you install as far as a preset goes, a regular preset, can be an import preset. Now what I mean basically by an import preset is a preset that you can apply to your photos directly upon import, so you don't have to worry about doing any other kind of editing. Maybe you have to do a touch up here and there on a couple images, but for the most part you can actually take care of a lot of editing that is done manually using an import preset. So I have this image here. This is after I've done my changes here, and I have this is the before over here and this is the after. I want the next couple photos that I import, I want to have the ability to make them look like this photo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my presets and I'm going to create what my changes here. I'm going to create that as an import preset. So I'm just going to go here and click the plus button to create a preset, and in my group I'm actually just going to organize it just for myself, and I'm going to name a new group. I'm going to call it import. Now this is just a way of doing it very organized, so I make sure I know which presets I want to use upon import, but I can also use these in the develop module itself. So I'm going to click create here, and I know I want to apply all of these changes here, so I'm going to call it mountain photos right there. So I'm going to make sure all of my changes that I made in this particular photo are selected, and I'm going to click create. So now what this is going to do on my left side here where my presets are, I'm going to scroll down here and you can see I have a folder here named import and mountain photos right there. So if I were to reset this and then click this preset here, it's going to turn it into exactly what it was before I reset it. All right, so now how do you apply this preset upon import? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our library module, and I'm going to go down here to import, and I'm going to navigate to where the files are that I want to import and I want to apply those presets to. So here are the other photos, the two other photos that I want to automatically apply that preset. So before I hit the import button over here, I'm going to go to apply during import. I'm going to click there, and I'm going to click develop setting. So when I click on this drop down menu, I'm going to get basically my full list of imports. So I can click right here on my import. I'm going to choose mountain photos. And now when I click this import button, it's going to import them into the folder, the destination that I wanted them to go into, as well as apply my preset. So let's go ahead and click import. And there we go. They're imported. And as you can see, if we double click here, you can see that we have basically that similar look going on in this photo. Now if we go to the develop module and we reset the photo, you can see this is what it looked like upon import. And then we can just click on here, and I'll just do this for reference. You can see this is what it looks like now. Same exact way with this photo. If we were to reset this one here, this is the way it looked upon import, or before we click the import presets. And this is the way it would look if we just left it as is. This is the way the import preset applied to the photo. So you can see if you have a lot of photos that were taken kind of around the same time, maybe you did a cool wedding shoot or something like that, and all the photos were basically taken the same time, pretty much the same settings, lighting situations, stuff like that. Doing really cool import presets will really save you a lot of time. Even if there's something that you do every time you import a photo, maybe you apply sharpening, maybe you apply lens correction, why not go ahead and create an import preset for that, just for that reason, and then apply that upon import so you don't have to do it and you can just worry about editing. So hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial on import presets. Thank you for joining me in this video. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next one.